Welcome to this short introduction for the M2 Arc Fault Detection Device, the AFDD. And in this video I'm going to tell you exactly what this device is, what it does and why you should have it. Now there are over 19,000 accidental domestic electrical fires in the UK, and nearly 4,000 of those are due to faulty appliances and leads. So the M2 Arc Fault Detection Device is designed to detect such faults and in doing so prevent accidental fires and more importantly save lives. Arc faults are a result of faulty or loose connections caused by usual wear and tear, trapped or damaged cables, loose terminations or damage caused by construction work. There are two types of arc faults which can occur. The first, as you can see here, is if the cable's insulation is damaged, then the current is free to flow between the conductors, usually between phase and neutral. This is known as a parallel arc fault. The second is if the terminals are loose or cords damaged. Arcs are then created in one conductor only, the phase or neutral. This is known as a series arc fault. Both types of arc fault can cause overheating leading to fire. Now, an AFDD detects such faults by constantly monitoring three key characteristics: the current magnitude, which must remain above 2.5 amps, the number of half cycles, which should stay above 8 half cycles, and the high-low asymmetrical frequency. M2's AFDD is a revolutionary device made with a durable thermoplastic moulding. It's available in 6 to 40 amps, and it is a self-testing device which works just like an RCBO, combining overload, short circuit and earth leakage protection, but with the added arc fault detection. It's easy to fit, and the best part is that M2 have designed their AFDD to be retrofit into any consumer unit that they've manufactured, making this little device one of the most cost-effective pieces of safety that you can buy. Now, current regulations recommend the installation of these devices to mitigate the risks of fire in properties with sleeping accommodation, those used to store or process combustible materials, fire-propagating structures, or locations with endangering of irreplaceable goods. Given the tragic results of such fires, it is inevitable that these devices will become more popular and mandatory in certain circumstances. So, let's err on the side of caution. The M2 AFDD is available now. For more information, you can contact us by email to sales@m2electrical.co.uk or call us on 01527 520 678. Alternatively, you can download all of the information on our website www.m2electrical.co.uk. Thank you for watching.